Do you like cigarettes? Dominoes, Rami said only sundown. Sunday's Christmas. Some days out when I need a few pranks. Now and again, I can never hope to keep them. Thought to give my friends what I thought that they wanted. Never had they needed such a good friend as I've been. Don't get me rented on friends who resent you, cause all you'd ever done is been a noose to hang on to. They thought was a necklace and recklessly fell into hell with nothing to do but scratch, kick. The gravity win like fuck this. The gravity win like you can leave it all behind. Even the devil needs time alone sometimes. You can let it all go. You can let it all go. It's called rainbow. It's called rainbow. Called to the devil and devil said quit. Can't be bothered by the head of your snap. Keep about your wits, man. Keep about your wits. You know yourself, ain't who you came with. Can I sit down? I've been hustling all day. I can't even count how many souls I've made off the same deal you're on. Remember, the devil ain't a friend to no one but find true. You can let it all go. You can let it all go. It's called rainbow. It's called rainbow. Called to the devil said, hey, why you been calling this late? It's like 2 a.m. and the bars are closing. Dead, it's sad, it's a rule I made. Anyway, you can say you're too busy serving everybody else. You save yourself, and you don't want no help. Oh well, that's a story to tell. But you can let it all go. You can let it all go. It's called rainbow. It's called rainbow. You can let it all go. You can let it all go. Cause I ain't stuff free by falling out. That tough seat, let me show you how it's like. I ain't stuff free by falling out. That stuff's easy, let me show you how it's like.